Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to make your Ubuntu look like Mac OS. I'll put it's just one little simple command. Just bring up your terminal and you can get the command out of the description. Now, everything is pretty well done once you set up as command. Just paste it in there, let it download, do its thing, and it pretty well works itself. Hopefully my microphone sounds good. I was getting some feedback earlier, but here we go. Now it's going to extract, and go ahead and press enter once that install command pops up. Now if you get this error, just type in originally this was created for 10.4, I believe, but I've tested it on the newest version, so it's compatible with 10.4 and 11.4. To uninstall it, I'll put the uninstall command in there also if you have any problems with that, or you just want to change it back to your original. And right here is where you just choose your your default settings or whatnot. I'm gonna go ahead and do let's try 2. And this here is pretty much your own preference, how you want it set up or whatnot. I'm just gonna do it, how I like it. I'm installing this on a virtual PC, but I have it installed on my other computer. I just didn't want to uninstall it and then reinstall it, so this here is a little bit easier for me to do. Also, if you like these kind of videos, make sure you subscribe. If you have any questions, leave me a comment, and go ahead and rate the video while you're waiting. I got a bunch of different videos coming up on this OS, different tutorials, how-tos, things like that. If you have a request for one, go ahead and send me a message or leave a comment, and I'd be glad to try to do it. Also, this is the newest version, 11.4. Now, previously I had installed this on my other computer, but I did it manually, so I wanted to come up with a way that was a little bit easier for people that didn't really, understand how to do it and all that kind of stuff. I believe this is pretty simple. Even the things that it asks you are pretty well yes and no answers, things like that. Also, it should set up the wallpaper also. If it doesn't, you can just go to Google Images, type in like snow leopard or leopard, whatever one you want, and just download it. But I believe it comes with it. I have to double check as soon as this gets done installing. Like I said before, hopefully my microphone sounds okay. I was getting some feedback. I'm thinking it might be coming from my air conditioner. So if you hear like a wind noise or a little noise in the background, sorry for that. Okay, I believe it's starting to wind down and should be done any second now. Now when it pops up, yeah, here it goes. There's a few. Alright, here we go. Let me close this out. Alrighty, let's see here. The paneling card problem. The clock. Don't delete. I believe you have to manually set those up on your panels. Please keep to see. 0. Okay. As soon as this is done, I'll show you how to set up the Mac panel. Go ahead and delete this while it's finishing up. Okay, so now it's set our Google Chrome, Thunderbird, and Firefox. As recommended, start your server. Okay, now we have this set up. You'll see that it set up the Firefox and all that good stuff. Now we just got to set up our Mac dock. I'm going to pause the video for a second, and when I come back we'll set up the dock. Now to get the dock set up, I got an extra code down there. You just copy and paste. So just copy and paste that into the terminal and then log in. And once you do that, it should begin to download. Mine's already installed, so it's just gonna update mine. I think it shouldn't take very long. There's a lot of different plugins and things for this dock that are pretty neat. You can go over that, your own preferences or your own preferences, but still pretty cool. Once you install that, go to your system tools and you should see these two icons. Let's see here. I normally do this one. You won't have to do this once you have it set up. You just do your own little preference settings, whatnot, and just have it. There's an option here so you can have it appear on startup. So now you have this cool little dock, and you can customize the look of it to however you like. This is obviously default, so we just installed it, but that's how to make your Ubuntu Linux look like Mac OS. If you like these kind of videos, make sure you comment, subscribe. If you have any requests, send me a message. Peace.